There are 4 basic types of stories, and if you know them, it'll change your writing drastically. M for milieu, I for inquiry, C for character, and E for event. So what is a milieu story? A milieu is an event or setting. So this kind of story starts when a character enters a place and it ends when they exit that place. So the kind of obstacles are things like physical danger, trying to reach something, or trying to escape a place. The next type is inquiry, and an inquiry story begins when a question is asked and it ends when that question is answered. So the conflict is all about the character trying to find the answer to the question. You throw the obstacles in their way by giving them lies, red herrings, or just general confusion. The next type of story is character. And a character story begins with a character in a negative emotional state and them ending in a positive emotional state, or vice versa. And so the conflicts could be things like the change backfiring, or it's uncomfortable and difficult for them, or they don't even know that they need to change. Finally, we have an event story. An event story is a character trying to change the world that they're in. So the conflict of this story are all external obstacles. So it could be things like a villain, a zombie outbreak, or a Death Star. Most movies consist of all of these threads to a different degrees, but since we're doing a short film, you'll only have time to focus on 1, maybe 2 M.I.C.E threads or types of stories. Hey guys, we put together a free screenwriting mini course to teach you how to write a short film step by step. It'll also teach you the 4 basic types of stories, and we've included a bunch of guides and cheat sheets to help you along the way. Just click the link below to get instant access to the free mini course.